Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up gift cards on Shopify. To set up gift cards on Shopify, what you simply do, here I'm already on my Shopify store. You will come to products, click on products, and then you'll notice collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. You will click on gift cards down here, and that will bring you here where you notice you can start selling gift cards, and you can add a gift card product to sell or create gift cards and send them directly to your customers. So there are two options for gift cards on Shopify. And the first thing you can do is to create a gift card. And then the other thing you can do is to add a gift card product. So we are going to start by creating a gift card. To create a gift card, after clicking on products, then gift cards, you'll come to the center of the page and click on create gift card. You click on that, and this will give you a chance to create a gift card. So up here, you will put the gift card code. Now, this is auto-generated, but you can change it to something else. I'll want to call this classic design gift cards. So classic design is my online store name. And then down here, you can put the initial value. So you notice here the code must be at most 20 characters. This I think is more. So let me just call it classic D gift card that way, so that now I have reduced the number of characters. And then you come to the value. When you want to set up the value of your gift card, you may need to consider the type of products you have and the cost. So I'll come back to my products here. I had safety boots here, and then if I put the price here maybe to be $50 and save, it means therefore, if I come to the initial value here, I should create a gift card that at least whoever is gifted with this gift card can use it to buy a gift from my store. So you can put different value cards. I only have one product added here that goes for $50. So here you can create that. So the initial value, I want it to be $50. So that's okay. And you can add other things here. So the expiration date, we have some countries that have different laws for gift card expiry dates. So you can check the laws for the country before changing this date. So it's important you set this instead of leaving it open. So I'm going to set expiration date. You notice this one expires today. Automatically it inserts our date here. So to change that date, you click on the calendar here, and then you possibly decide this gift card will be valid for maybe 1 month. You can click to go to February, to go to whichever year you want. So you just put the expiry here. So you notice here, so you can also type the date here. So I want it to expire on 15th of March. Let me change this one to March 2024. So this gives it around 3 months or around 2 full months. So you set that, and then here you can search or create a customer on this side. So if I search here, I don't have any customers yet added, but I could have added customers here, then come here and search for them. So I can first create a customer here. For other things on Shopify, maybe I had already created customers, then they could have appeared here. But if I'm creating this gift card and I don't have a customer, I simply click on create a new customer, click on that. So you now give the first name of this customer. This customer, I'm going to call her Joyce Moore. And then the email address, I'll put the email address there. And then the phone number here. And then I'll click on save. And that customer has been added. You now notice our customer for this gift card has been added there, and the email address is there. Then you can add an internal note here. Maybe here is your thank you gift card. Enjoy. So we can just put it that way. And then once you are done with that, you click on save. So now if we come back to products, to just show you how again now to assign this. So I'll click on leave the page. So whatever we have created has not been saved. Then come again to gift card. You can now click on add a gift card product. This is the second way. You click on add gift card product, and then this now will display your store here. Like notice it automatically gives you a name, my store gift card, and then you now upload the image of your gift card here, and then you can give a description here, my gift card, and then you now upload a media here. Then down here, you now change these denominations. You can add denominations, again, as I said, depending on the products you have. Then you can upload an image for your gift card. I propose that you use canva.com, because with canva.com, you can always design nicely looking gift cards, and it's free to use Canva. So the link to Canva is available in the description of this video. So this is where you design a gift card. So you can notice here, this one is fully editable. We can edit our gift card here just using Canva. So after completing your design gift card here, you just come back to Shopify and upload that. So I just click on the image there, upload it there, and then we have already done the denominations. And then on this side, you can add the product type and the category here, and then you can add the channels here. Maybe you want it to be on your online store, shop, point of sale. You add all that here. And then the product category, this is in the category of the gift cards. And then you can add the product type, maybe for the clothing. Remember, that's the only clothing we had added. Then you can add the vendor, just like we did in the others, in the homepage, whichever part you want to add it, plus the tags, and then the theme template, and then the gift card template. And then you click on save gift card product down here, and that product has been created. So this is simply a product gift card. So if you click on preview at the top here, you notice this is our Shopify gift card worth $50, and it has different denominations. We have the 61, we have the 51, we have the 81, depending on the gift cards that we added. And that's how you simply design gift cards for your Shopify store. So if you want to send this gift card, you simply click here on I want to send this gift card. You notice here, I want to send this gift card. You click there, and then you put the recipient's email here, and then a recipient name, which is optional. And then you simply come down here, give a message here, maybe for the gift card, maybe just like welcome. And then you give the date here, which is still optional. And then down here, you notice you can now click on share. You can now share it through, you can copy the link, you can share it on WhatsApp, you can also share it on your email, and you can also share it within the store. So I hope this has been helpful. That is how you design and share gift cards on your Shopify store. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.